Hello everyone, in today's video you can see I have done this beautiful smoky eye makeup, and this is a wedding guest makeup look. You can carry out in anyone else's wedding, you can carry out as a bridesmaid look, or either you can carry out anywhere wherever you want. I have created this look with very much affordable brands, and it's very easy to create this look. And this look is from one of my series that I have created, the Makeup Bridal look series. It's from that series. If you like my channel, if you like my videos, comment below, subscribe. Before I start my video, just let me know in the comments that what is your go-to look, or if you have to go to anyone else wedding, which sort of makeup you prefer. Either you prefer the bold eye makeup look like that one I have done, or either you want to look like more natural sort of. I'm taking this Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil and I will shape my eyebrows with it. After shaping my eyebrows, I'm taking this Essence I Love Stage eyeshadow base. And with the help of a sponge, I will blend it. Now I'm taking LA Girl Pro Powder High Definition Setting Powder. I will set my eyeshadow base with this translucent powder. For under eye circles, I will use Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. Our eyes are set, and then we need any eye pencil. It should be black in color, or you can take the dark brown. So I'm taking this Makeup Forever pencil, and then I will make a very bad sort of eyeliner, I guess. After applying the eye pencil on your eyes, I haven't applied on my full eyelid. I have just applied the area where we apply our eyeliner, but a bit, a bit thick sort of you have to apply, and then you have to blend it upward. So once we have blended somehow this black eye pencil, then we need the black eyeshadow. And I'm taking the Morphe 35B palette, and I'm using the black color, which is I think called Pebble in it, and I'm using the same brush. This brush is by e.l.f. Cosmetics. And then you have to stop at one point, because we have to blend two another colors in there in our outer crease. So we will stop it almost. There is some lid is still there. So after blending the black eyeshadow on my eyelid area, I'm using this e.l.f. Cosmetic Rose Gold palette. The palette is really good. It has really good nude colors. So the first shade which I'm going to use is this dark one. So we are going from darkest to the lowest point. I'm taking this brush. It is also by e.l.f. and blend these two shades together. So after blending this darkest shade with my black eyeshadow, I'm going to use another shade, and this is this shade, and this will go on the top of this. Take any small brush and take any color for the highlight. Now I am taking this Essence Melted Chrome eyeshadow, and this eyeshadow is Platinum Night. So I will use my finger. Really cool color. And then I will apply it in the middle of my eye. So you can check, it's so beautiful and it has suddenly changed the everything which was on the makeup. Then we have to do something under our eyes. I'm going to use the same brown shade. I have used the same brush from which I have applied the black one, so it has some traces of black eyeshadow, so it's just merging it. And then little bit that darker color. And I'm just applying on the side of my eye, not here. In this way my eyes will look bigger and it will change the shape of my eye. At this point you have two choices. Either you can simply apply the false eyelashes and your look is ready to go, or either you want to apply the black eyeliner. So for me, I want to apply the black eyeliner. For that purpose I'm going to use the Maybelline gel eyeliner, and brush is also by Maybelline. So the eye makeup is done, and now we are going to apply the mascara. And for mascara I'm going to use my famous Clinique High Impact mascara. If you know, I have done a review on Clinique High Impact mascara and the Lancome Trio Lash mascara, and you can check my video on my channel. So after that I'm going to use this artificial eyelashes, and the eyelash glue which I'm going to use is from Bridal, I guess, and you can see the prices is still there. It's 6.99. That was latex free, so I thought I should give it a try. That's my first time to use it. Okay, so it's this transparent one. It's already transparent, so we don't know if it changes the color or not. In my opinion, I have used different eyelashes glue, and I noticed not every eyelash glue works within 30 seconds. Sometimes you have to wait more than 30 seconds. If you like my channel, if you like my videos, comment below, subscribe. Till then, bye bye.